Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So today I'm back with another video, and this time I'll be showing you how to make this cute little heart. So I have this little cute little red one here, and I'll be using these hearts for another project that will be coming up soon. So I just wanted to show you how to make them. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you will stay here with me. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much, guys. So let's jump in the video. So I have my 4.5mm crochet hook here. You can use any size hook of your choice. The bigger hook you use, the bigger heart you will get. The smaller hook you use, the smaller heart you will get. So you don't need a lot of yarn to make this, as you can use scrap yarn to make it. So to begin, you will start off by making a magic ring. So wrap your yarn around your fingers just like that, and you will insert your hook and pull up a loop. And you will go ahead and chain 2, 1 and 2. Now that you have your chain 2, we'll be doing a treble crochet. So you will yarn over twice, go into that circle, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's our first treble crochet there. You're going to yarn over twice again, and you're going to make 2 more treble crochet. So pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Another time. And this is our last one here. So that's 2, 2, and 2. Now that we have our 3 treble crochet here, you're going to chain 1, and now you're going to make a regular double crochet. So you can pull down on your ring here just to kind of close it up a little bit. But I'm just going to make the 3 double. So make sure that you chain your 1. Make your double crochet, so that's 1. Yarn over, make another double crochet. And then you're going to chain 1 and make your last double crochet. So now you can pull down on your string to make the circle a little bit smaller. And now what you're going to do is you are going to chain 1 again, yarn over, and you're going to make 3 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. You are going to chain 1, and you can pull down on your circle again, so you can see that it starts to form that arch shape. Now you are going to do your treble crochet, so you'll be doing 3 again. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. Again. Again, insert your hook, 1, 2, and 3. And now you're going to chain 1. So what you're going to do now is you are going to pull the string to close that hole up a little bit. But before you close that, you are going to do a slip stitch inside here. So now that you have done your slip stitch, you're just going to pull up on your yarn a little bit, and then you're going to use your tail end and you're going to pull, pull, pull until that part is all tightened up. And once it is tightened up, your art will form its shape. And just to get this part nice and tucked in, you're going to go ahead and cut your yarn off, and you're just going to pull on that. When you pull, you will just go ahead and tug on that, and that makes the split part there of your heart. So there it is, all done, nice and easy. So I hope that this was easy to follow. You can slow down the video if you like, or you can rewind it if you think I was going a little bit too fast, but that is it. That's all you have to do. So guys, I hope that you loved this little video. Until next time, bye.